Cool chemistry cook-off. Today, two competitors will be going head-to-head in a brownie cook-off challenge. The contestants today will use all the same ingredients and will cook their brownies for the same amount of time in the same oven. Now let's bring out our first contestant. From Miss Noble's second period class, drumroll, Sergeant Science!
Yeah? Alright. Let's get some science up in here.
Yeah.
My name is Sergeant Science, and today we're going to be cooking brownies. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, now with these brownies, I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. This is the egg. This is water. 1/4 cup, mind you. And in here is where I'll be mixing it with my handy dandy wooden spoon. Alright, now today the most important thing we're going to be focusing on is the scientific aspect of using a metal pan. With a metal pan, I'm going to get a lower specific heat capacity, which means that the heat in the oven will transfer to the pan and to the brownies much faster and cook them much faster than it would with any other pan. So basically, if you do that, they're going to taste better and they're just going to be better brownies. And so yeah, I'm going to win this competition.
Alright. Now on to our second contestant, also from Miss Noble's second period chemistry class, Captain Chemistry.
Buonissimo, Nic. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Today we cooking brownies. I'm using an egg, some vegetable oil, and a little bit of water, you know. What will make me win and beat over that guy over there is this marvelous glass pan. Now this glass pan has a high specific heat capacity, and what Mr. What's-his-face over there doesn't realize is that you won't be tasting these brownies till after 30 minutes they come out of the oven. And my brownies will still be nice and warm because a high specific heat capacity pan, where it'll take longer to cook, it will keep them warm for longer. And that is why I am going to win this competition.
Alrighty.
No, he doesn't perform. He actually does like beer. Oh, wait. Oh, that's gross, guys. I just realized something. We just forgot to stick the pans. We're not going to be able to get these out. Oh, no. That's okay. It doesn't matter. Just keep doing this. I'll do brownies. Alright. You guys? No. You don't like it anymore?
Oh! Now our brownies are cooking in the oven. And
In the oven.
what we have going on here is it is a very nice convection oven.
I like it.
And so what it does is it heats the brownies evenly and all at the same time, so the brownies are very nice and firm when they come out of the oven.
Because the heat's in the air, right? Is that what?
Yeah, he right. I don't know his name, but he right.
Well, this is Sergeant Scientist. Now, as you can see, mine is clearly cooking faster. Mine's basically almost done. Let's see here. Take a fork and put it in there right quick. Oh, look, it's coming out pretty clean. So, what we can see here is that the specific heat capacity of the metal pan is cooking it far faster than the glass, which we'll demonstrate. Oh, that's a mess. Look at that. That's disgusting. Nobody wants to eat this.
So the brownies are out of the oven. Sergeant Science is measured at 68 degrees Celsius, and Captain Chemistry was measured at 66 degrees Celsius.
In this experiment, we decided to use iodized salt and ice in order to speed up the process of freezing the milk, which is an exothermic reaction because you're absorbing the heat out of it, forming it to condense and create ice cream. Here we see the two brownies from the experiment. Now we can see that Sergeant Scientist's brownie is not as hot because the ice cream didn't melt like Captain Chemistry's did. Captain Chemistry, because of the high specific heat capacity of the pot it was cooked in, retained heat, and therefore the conduction reaction between it and the ice cream melted the ice cream thoroughly. And it didn't happen with Sergeant Scientist because the brownie was not as hot and the ice cream still just remained in its state. Basically here we can see that Captain Chemistry won because his brownie was warmer and gooier, and it basically tasted better. Sorry, Sergeant Scientist.